Okay, so now that we have it all folded up this way, you can simply just take these legs, bend these back down, take these legs and you can just fold them, and then fold them. So completely broken down, you have a small pile, and that's it. So, I mean, it's a lot of space, a lot of like hanging space that can break down to a really small space. So to assemble it again, just do what I did in reverse. Okay. So open the legs back up, pop these corners, and unfold it just a little bit so it won't tip over. And then grab your center bar and just line it up inside of here. And then open it more so that lets the center bar drop down where it's supposed to go. Lock those, and then then you can just easily open it back up. Kind of try to keep it as even as possible, but I mean, that's it. It's as simple as that. So, you know, it's really nice space, folds down to a small, manageable size. So you can put it in the closet when you don't want it, but, you know, fully extend it to hang up like blankets or like really big things that don't work in the dryer or whatever. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you that quick demo and show you how easy it was.